Hi students, welcome to another session of Career Zone. In today's session, we will discuss about hotel management. In my journey in the education field, I have seen lots of students coming and asking me regarding this hotel management. It's a blooming industry. So in today's session, we will discuss about different entrance examinations that are relevant in the field of hotel management. Then we will discuss about IHM, what is the fee structure, now what are the career options available under this hotel management. I will not be discussing about all the entrance examinations, which are the major entrance examination under hotel management. That only we will discuss, because there are lots of local entrance examinations which is happening in this field. Okay, but we will discuss about the major entrance examinations. Okay, so what do you mean by hotel management? Hotel management is a course that trains students to work in the hospitality sector. It has various specializations available under this field. We have various specializations available under this field: hospitality management, hotel and tourism management, hotel administration, catering technology. When you look at hotel management courses, it is not necessary that always you have to go with the graduation course. If you are from any other field, then also if you are interested in hotel management, you can go with the certification course or a diploma course. When you look at hotel management courses in India, it is available in different forms. There are certificate courses, diploma courses, bachelor's degree, master's degree, and PhD courses are available. But the most popular among them are Bachelor of Hotel Management and Master of Hotel Management, because most of the students are looking for BHM or MHM. Okay. Now, I would like to discuss about the popular courses under Hotel Management: Bachelor of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, BHMCT, Bachelor of Hotel Management, BHM, Master of Hotel Management, MHM, Master of Tourism and Hotel Management, MTHM, and PG Diploma, Postgraduate Diploma in Hotel Management. Okay, these are the most popular courses in this particular field. When you look at hotel management, there are n number of colleges are there in India. Even outside also you have lots of options. But I would like to give you an idea about the top colleges in hotel management. So we have Oberoi Center for Learning and Development, New Delhi; Institute of Hotel Management, Catering Technology and Applied Nutrition, IHM, Mumbai; Institute of Hotel Management, Catering and Nutrition, Pusa, New Delhi; Welcome Group Graduate School of Hotel Administration, Manipal; Institute of Hotel Management, Aurangabad; Institute of Hotel Management, Bangalore; Institute of Hotel Management, Kolkata. When you look at Institute of Hotel Management, you have to understand we have 71 management institutes are available under this category. Some are operated by the central government, whereas some are operated by the state government. Even some are under the private sector also. Institute of Hotel Management, Ahmedabad; Institute of Hotel Management, Kolkata; Institute of Hotel Management, Chennai; and the famous Christ University from Bangalore. Okay. Now, if you are a student who is in 12th standard, they will be looking for a UG course. Whereas if you are a student from graduation, then you will be looking for a postgraduate course or a diploma course or a certificate course. So you should know the eligibility criteria. For undergraduate courses, you require a pass in 12th standard exam from a recognized board with English as one of the subjects. For postgraduate courses, a bachelor's degree in the field of hotel or hospitality management, which will be demanded by certain Hi-Fi institute. But based on each course, college or institute, parameters varies to determine the admission of candidates. Okay. Next, we are going to think about the admissions. To get admission into the premier institute in India, we have to qualify the entrance examination. Now, there are different colleges are available under hotel management. So it's better you search in Google. You can find out the website, official website of the college, and you can fill up the application form. Okay, but in this session I'll be discussing about certain common entrance tests also, so that you can get admission into IHM or the top institutes. Okay, normally how this admission happens, there is a general criteria. Admission done on the basis of scores in the qualifying examination and entrance examination. Candidates can visit the official website of the college to fill the application form. They can also fill the common application form for hotel management admissions. Colleges will call the selected candidates for group discussion and personal interview. Once a candidate gets selected, he can pay the total fee to confirm his admission. This is a normal procedure for getting admission into any of the institute. Now, when you look at hotel management, which are the common entrance tests? As I told you earlier also, there are loads of entrance tests which is conducted by local government or the local institute, but we are not going to discuss about all those things. I just want to give you an idea about the top entrance test. AIMA UGAT. This is conducted by All India Management Association, and the test is called as All India Management Association Undergraduate Aptitude Test. The second one, it is NCH MCT JEE. This is conducted by National Council of Hotel Management and Catering Technology. Now the entrance exam is called as National Council of Hotel Management and Catering Technology Joint Entrance Examination. Another famous entrance exam, it is AIH MCT WAT. This is conducted by the Army Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology. So the test, it is Army Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology written admission test. Now another famous test, it is GNIHM JET. It is conducted by the Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management. The test is called as the Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management Joint Entrance Test. Now in the coming session, we will discuss about each test in depth. We will discuss about the exam pattern, the syllabus. Now which are the courses offered under this institute or under this particular exam. So first we are going to discuss about AIMA UGAT. As I told you earlier, AIMA UGAT, that means All India Management Association Undergraduate Aptitude Test. It is a national level examination conducted annually by All India Management Association. This test is a generalized test. It is conducted to screen the students for admission in various courses such as BBA, BCA, Integrated MBA, BHM, BCom, etc. Moving on to the examination pattern of AIMA UGAT. This question paper is having 180 questions. So we have 180 minutes. That means 3 hours duration. We have the entire question paper divided into 6 sessions. English language 40 questions, numerical and data analysis 30 questions, reasoning and general intelligence 30 questions, general knowledge 30 questions, service aptitude 25 questions, scientific aptitude 25 questions. Whenever you face any entrance exam, it is always advisable to get reference material for that particular examination. Then you start preparing. Download the sample papers also. You have to solve sample papers. Without that, you cannot get a good score. AIMA UGAT examination syllabus. English language. Normally questions will be coming from verbal reasoning, sentence completion, fill in the blanks, one word substitution, contextual usage, syllogisms, sentence correction, idioms, analogies, different usage of same word, antonyms, jumbled paragraphs, foreign language words used in English. When you look at numerical and data analysis, the questions will be coming from geometry, lines, angles, triangles, spheres, rectangles, cube, cone, etc. Number system, HCF and LCM, algebra, ratios and proportion, work and time, percentages, averages, profit and loss, inequations, quadratic and linear equations, geometric progression, partnership, time, speed, distance. When you look at reasoning and general intelligence, the questions can come from coding and decoding, visual reasoning, pie chart, puzzles, arrangement, strong arguments and weak arguments, multi-dimensional arrangements, course of action, graphs representing area, series, family tree, numeric grid, blood relations, critical reasoning, calendars, syllogisms, statement conclusions, column graphs. When you look at general knowledge and current affairs, the questions can come from government and politics, famous personalities, business, economy, history, geography, static GK, and current affairs. Okay. Now we are moving on to the next famous entrance test in the field of hotel management. It is NCH-MCT, National Council of Hotel Management and Catering Technology Joint Entrance Examination, which is conducted by NTA. If you write this test, you can get admission into IHM, Institute of Hotel Management. NTA conducts NCH-MCT JE for admission to the BSc course in Hospitality and Hotel Administration, BSc HHA, across the country. This is the course, BSc course in Hospitality and Hotel Administration, which is available under IHM. Candidates must have passed class 12 with English as a compulsory subject. This is a general criteria for almost all the entrance examination under hotel management. The exam consists of 200 multiple choice questions. 4 marks is awarded for every correct answer and 1 marks will be deducted for every incorrect answer. Examination duration, we have 3 hours. Examination mode, online examination. Total number of seats, we have 8,124 seats available. Participating institute, we have around 63 institutes from the state, central, private and public sector. Okay, so this is one of the popular tests in hotel management. So when you look at IHM, Institute of Hotel Management, which are the courses you can apply when you write this particular entrance exam? As I told you, BSc in Hospitality and Hotel Administration, that is the most famous course. BSc Culinary Arts. When you look at list of diploma courses, Diploma in Food and Beverage Service, Diploma in Front Office Operations, Diploma in Food Production, Diploma in Bakery and Confectionery, Diploma in Housekeeping. When you look at the list of PG diploma courses offered at IHM, Institute of Hotel Management, we have Postgraduate Diploma in Accommodation, Operations and Management, Postgraduate Diploma in Dietetics and Hospital Food Service. When you look at the list of craftsmanship and certificate courses offered at IHMs, craftsmanship course in food production, certificate course in bakery, craftsmanship course in food and beverage service, certificate course in cookery. When you look at the PG course offered under IHM, we have MSc in Hospitality Administration, then we have MSc in Hospitality and Hotel Administration. Okay. Now always remember, based on the course you are selecting, the pattern of entrance exam will vary and the fee structure also will vary. When you look at the NCH MCT examination syllabus, the question paper contains 5 subjects: numerical ability and analytical aptitude, English language, reasoning and logical deduction, general knowledge and current affairs, aptitude for service sector. Okay, so in depth about this syllabus already I have discussed in the previous session. The pattern of question which we are going to ask or the content in the syllabus, it is almost same. In this session I will be discussing about IHM because most of the students who are looking for hotel management courses, the first preference is always IHM, Institute of Hotel Management. The first IHM was established in the city of Mumbai in 1954. At present, there are 71 IHMs. When you look at the 71 IHMs, 21 IHMs are directly coming under the central government. 25 IHMs are coming under the state government. They are the State Government Institute of Hotel Management, SIHMs. Now, one is coming under the public sector. So, public sector undertaking, PSU. 24 private Institute of Hotel Managements are also there. When you look at the locations of IHMs, we have IHM in New Delhi, Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Lucknow, Hyderabad, Chennai, Lucknow, Bhopal, Gwalior, Kolkata, Bhubaneswar, Chandigarh, Jaipur, Goa, Gurdaspur, Hajipur, Shillong, Sri Shakti, Shimla, Srinagar, Dehradun, Faridabad, Silvassa and Kovalam. Okay. Now we are going to another entrance test in the field of hotel management. It is AIHMCT WAT. AIHMCT WAT, Army Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology written admission test. So this is conducted by the Army Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology. It provides admission to students in Bachelor's in Hotel Management, BHM. Written admission test, it is an online test. The test duration is 3 hours. We have multiple choice questions here. 100 questions will be there. Per question you will be getting 1 mark. Per question we have 1 mark. Now when you look at the examination syllabus, the question paper is divided into 5 parts: reasoning and logical deduction, numerical ability and scientific aptitude, command and test of English language, general knowledge, hospitality and tourism. That means the question related to the sector where you are going to take admission. Okay. Now it is about the examination pattern. We have the question paper divided into 5 sections. English language, maximum we have 20 marks. Reasoning and logical deduction we have 20 marks. Hospitality and tourism we have 20 marks. General knowledge 20 marks. Numerical ability and scientific aptitude we have 20 marks. So total the paper is out of 100 marks. Now we are going to another important entrance test in the field of hotel management. It is GNI-HM JET. GNI-HM JET, Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management Joint Entrance Test. It is a pen and paper based test. Total number of questions, we have 120 questions. This 120 questions, when you look, you can see that 115 multiple choice questions are there and 5 descriptive questions are there. So accordingly, the marking pattern also varies. This test is conducted for 2 hours, that means 120 minutes. Each correct answer in MCQs, we will get 1 mark. Whereas each question in descriptive part, we will get 7 marks. There is no negative marking for this particular test. Now it is about the examination pattern. Earlier also I discussed about this. We have 2 types of question in this particular exam. That means GNI-HM, JET, Joint Entrance Test. We have 2 types of questions will be coming in the question paper. Objective question, we have 115 question. Per question, we have 1 mark. So total, we are getting 115 marks. Descriptive questions, we have 5 questions. Per question, we are getting 7 marks. So 35 mark. Total, we have 120 questions. And this test is out of 150 mark. Okay. Now, what are the courses offered under GNI-HM JET? When you look at UG courses, we have BSc in Hospitality and Hotel Management available. Bachelor in Hospitality Management, BHM. Bachelor in Hotel Management and Catering Technology, BHM CT, that is also available. If you are a student just completing your graduation, then you will be looking for the PG courses. So we have MSc in Hospitality and Hotel Management, Diploma in Hotel and Hospitality Operation, MBA in Hospitality and Hotel Management. These are the 3 courses which are available under GNI-HM. Now we will think about the syllabus. When you look at the GNI-HM JET syllabus, it consists of 3 sections: General Knowledge, English and Current Affairs. English syllabus, we have rearrangement of words in a sentence, English proficiency, sentence reconstruction, rearrangement of sentences to paragraph, synonyms, antonyms, vocabulary, analogies, fill in the blanks, spelling mistakes, paragraph completion, idioms and phrases, paragraph formation, one-word substitution, sentence improvement, sentence formation and sentence completion. These are the different topics available. When you look at general knowledge, we have books and authors, solar system, prizes and awards, natural calamities, world organizations, famous personalities, music and dances, currencies, and inventions and discoveries. These are the topics which is coming under general knowledge. When you look at current affairs, knowledge about recent events occurred in the international and national level in the field of hospitality, politics, sports, and entertainment. Okay. When we are preparing for any entrance examination, or if you are planning to join for any course, normally this question will come into our mind. What will be the fee structure? Fee structure varies depend on the institute and the course selected. See, for example, when you look at the certification courses, diploma courses, compared to PG courses and UG courses, the fee will be less. Normally, the fee ranges between rupees 70,000 to 1.5 lakhs per year for the undergraduate courses and UG courses. Okay. Now we will think about the different career options available under hotel management. Once you complete your graduation from any of the famous institute, you can work with tourism department under government. Lots of options are available. Now if you look at private sector, we will get job in club management and resort management, restaurant management, cruise ship hotel management. This is one of the booming industry, and you have to understand the package what you are getting also will be very high when you look at cruise ship hotel management, airline catering and cabin services, kitchen management in hotels. So you can look at the 5-star hotels. Even the payment will be very high here. Front office management in hotel and hospitality services in the Indian Navy. So you can get loads of job opportunities under government sector, central government, or in the armed force services. Okay. So today we were discussing about the various options which are available under the hotel management, which are the entrance examinations you have to write. Now, what type of courses will be available under IHM? So I hope you are able to follow my session. Thanks a lot for listening. Thank you. Bye.